Hypertension is growing. Right now, they are saying that 1 out of every 3 people over age 18 in the United States have or are going to have hypertension. The older that we get, the more hypertension that we have. In my patients that are over 60 years of age, 90% have hypertension.
High blood pressure can be silent, which means you feel no symptoms.
The problem with hypertension is it has no known symptoms. People just have it and they don't know it. One day they're going to the doctor and they're getting a screening and find out, oh my gosh, my blood pressure's up. They're there because they have a pain in their back or a swollen foot or whatever. Make the long story short, once it's detected, it must be treated.
Uncontrolled high blood pressure can lead to serious health problems.
If it's not treated, I have a poster here that shows the organ systems that are most affected. The brain, where we have strokes, the heart, where we have heart attacks, and the kidneys, where we have renal failure and we end up on dialysis. These are called end organ diseases. These can be fatal or extremely debilitating. And the price that we pay in America would be with our dialysis, our hospitalizations, and early admissions to nursing homes and death.
Learn more about high blood pressure and take the steps to control it.
The best way to prevent hypertension, I'm sure no one has the answer. We just get it. It's essential. But once we know we have it, there are multiple ways to control it. The number one way is to lose weight and to decrease the amount of salt that we take in. Now, most of us in Louisiana eat very well, and we don't control our salt or our weight. So therefore, the number one way of controlling it is medication. The medications are widely available, and at this point, very good and very inexpensive. So if you take your medications, you will do well with your hypertension. I think that everybody should have a primary care physician. And the most important thing is to know your blood pressure, to know your cholesterol, and to have a doctor to call whenever there's a problem.
To learn more about hypertension or to make an appointment with Dr. Mallory, call 487-1717.
The Medical Minute is brought to you in part by Christus St. Francis Cabrini Hospital.